Oh, shoot. We're starting to come along here. Not quite there yet, but improving. Yesterday was a decent day, even though I lost 3 yesterday. 2 to the Cooper and 1 to the Red Tail. That's what it is, guys. But it's just getting them out here, man. I mean, they finally all the roof huggers, they can't hug that roof anymore. The hogs will clean you out. Better get up there and do what you was born to do. They're improving, guys. They're improving. I still got some look. Guy over there, he's still gliding around. Better cut that shit out. Look. Moving, man. Got 2 bundles. Keep them out here for an hour or 2. One came in. Let's see how quickly they get chased up. I mean, usually when they start coming down like that, it's because there's no hawks around, or they don't see them. But yesterday, everybody was here. I had probably like 6 red tails, 2 to 3 Coopers. The other guy didn't show up, which is a good thing, because he usually brings the party to a halt. You know, once the falcon comes around, and you got the Cooper at the bottom, it just I literally, like, I can't do it. You know, I feel horrible for them. You know, if they're just getting attacked from below, that's fine. But then once they getting attacked from above and below, nah. You know, I usually let them in. Once in a while, let them out. It depends how fast it happens. Yesterday they flew for about, well, not the whole stock. I had a good stock that flew for a good 30 minutes. Stock like this here, flew for like a good 30 minutes. I was happy with that. And they starting to fly together and all that. But we still got this going on here. You know. Not tight enough for me yet. Not tight enough. Not high enough yet. I know what they could do. I know what they could do. Usually takes them about, I would say, 10 minutes to get warmed up. You know, he's starting to go up. Right here, he's going up. You can see the climbing, climbing. Figure it out now. Yo, yesterday, man, that Cooper came from somewhere from there. And I just saw the Cooper just, boom, go by me. He caught one. They weren't able to take off quickly enough. Well, you still got those, you know, I still got a few roof huggers there. And pay the price. They pay the price. You know, they didn't take off fast enough. Then the second time, they came down and the red tail came in and tried to catch them up in the air, and one of them didn't take off from the roof. He froze. Gone. And then I decided to get cute with the cumulets, let out the cumulets, and the Cooper came in, and those birds are out of shape. I'm throwing in the towels with them. I'm just gonna keep them in late February. I'm gonna let them go one round. There they go. There they go. Well, the way they're taking off, guys, it's a big difference, guys. Let's see here. They are taking off now. No nonsense. Look. Still doing it. Still doing it. And as you can see, some of them still going through the moat, guys. It's crazy. I never seen that, man. Never seen that. They starting to come alive, guys. All right, guys. I'm on 10 minutes. nonsense for 10 minutes. Till next time, guys.